This Chefman Countertop microwave oven 0.9 cubic feet is designed for modern kitchens where speed, simplicity, and smart use of space matter more than flashy extras. This microwave focuses on delivering reliable daily performance with practical features that actually improve how people cook, reheat, and manage meals at home. With a 900-watt power output, intuitive controls, and thoughtful quality of life features like eco mode and a mute function, it positions itself as a dependable solution for everyday cooking without unnecessary complexity. At first glance, the compact footprint immediately stands out. This microwave fits comfortably on most countertops while still offering enough internal space to handle dinner plates, medium bowls, and common microwave-safe containers. The 0.9 cubic foot capacity strikes a balance between space efficiency and real usability, making it especially well-suited for apartments, dorm rooms, offices, RV kitchens, and smaller households that don't want to sacrifice performance for size. Performance is where the Chefman microwave quietly proves its value. With 900 watts of cooking power and 10 adjustable power levels, it handles a wide range of tasks with ease. Lower power settings are perfect for melting butter, warming sauces, or defrosting delicate foods, while the higher levels bring leftovers and frozen meals up to temperature quickly and evenly. Heat distribution feels consistent, which helps avoid the cold centers and overheated edges that plague lower-quality microwaves. The 6 built-in cooking presets simplify common tasks and eliminate guesswork. With dedicated settings for popcorn, pizza, beverages, vegetables, potatoes, and leftovers, everyday use becomes almost effortless. These presets are particularly helpful for busy households, students, or anyone who wants predictable results without manually adjusting time and power every time they cook. The One-Touch Express cooking buttons add another layer of convenience, allowing users to start cooking instantly by pressing a number key. Digital controls are clean, responsive, and easy to understand, even for first-time users. The display is bright enough to read clearly but not distracting, and the button layout feels intuitive rather than cluttered. One standout feature is the memory function, which allows frequently used settings to be programmed for one-touch access. This is a subtle but valuable feature for people who reheat similar meals daily or rely on consistent cook times. Quiet operation is another area where this microwave shines. The built-in mute option allows all beeping sounds to be turned off, which is ideal for early mornings, late nights, shared living spaces, or households with children. Instead of waking everyone up just to warm leftovers or heat baby food, users can operate the microwave silently while still enjoying full functionality. Safety has also been thoughtfully integrated into the design. The child safety lock prevents accidental door openings and disables the control panel when activated. This feature provides peace of mind for families with young children and helps ensure the microwave is used only under proper supervision. Combined with CTL certification and internal safety protections, the appliance feels reliable and well-engineered for long-term use. Eco mode adds another layer of practicality, especially for energy-conscious users. When the microwave is not in use, Eco mode shuts off the display to reduce unnecessary power consumption. Over time, this small feature can contribute to energy savings while keeping the kitchen visually cleaner and free of glowing screens. Cleaning and maintenance are refreshingly simple. The black exterior resists fingerprints and wipes clean easily with a damp cloth. Inside, the smooth surfaces and removable glass turntable make it easy to keep the microwave hygienic with minimal effort. The turntable being dishwasher safe adds even more convenience, especially for users who rely heavily on the microwave throughout the week. From a design perspective, the Chefman microwave leans into understated modern styling. The black finish is neutral and versatile, blending effortlessly into a wide range of kitchen aesthetics. It looks at home alongside stainless steel appliances, minimalist setups, or compact kitchen spaces without drawing unnecessary attention to itself. Key features and benefits: 900 watts of reliable cooking power for fast, even results. Compact 0.9 cubic feet size ideal for small kitchens and tight spaces. 10 adjustable power levels for precise cooking control. 6 one-touch cooking presets for everyday convenience. Express cook buttons for instant start operation. Memory function for saving frequently used settings. Mute option for silent operation at any time. Eco mode reduces energy use when idle. Child safety lock for added protection. Easy clean interior and dishwasher-safe turntable. Pros and cons of Chefman Countertop Microwave Oven. Pros: compact size without sacrificing usability. Consistent heating and reliable performance. Intuitive digital controls with memory function. Quiet operation thanks to mute option. Energy-saving eco mode. Easy to clean and maintain. Strong safety features for families. Cons: not large enough for oversized cookware. 900 watts may be slower than higher-end models. Limited preset customization. No convection or grilling features. Who this microwave is best for. The Chefman Countertop Microwave Oven is ideal for apartment dwellers, students, small families, office kitchens, and anyone seeking a dependable, easy-to-use microwave without unnecessary bulk. It's especially well-suited for users who value quiet operation, safety, and simplicity over advanced cooking modes they may never use. Final verdict: the Chefman 0.9 cubic feet countertop microwave delivers exactly what most people need from a microwave: fast heating, dependable performance, and intuitive controls wrapped in a compact, stylish design. Its thoughtful features like eco mode, mute function, and memory settings elevate everyday usability without complicating the experience. If you're looking for a practical microwave that fits seamlessly into daily life and smaller spaces, this model is a smart and reliable choice. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.